class 3rd students. I hope you all are absolutely good and taking care of yourself and doing your work properly. So, as you all know, we had completed our chapter number 11, right? That was about the water. And I have sent you the worksheet for yesterday's homework. I hope you all have done that. Many of you sent me the pictures of that worksheet after doing it. So please keep sending me the pictures so that I can just mark in our register that you are doing your work. Okay, so today we are starting with a new chapter. That chapter is just related to our daily life, that is our house. So where do we all live? We all live in a house, right? So this chapter name is Houses We Make. This chapter name is Houses We Make. Firstly, why the houses are important for us? Why houses are important for us? Just because houses houses protect us from heat, cold and rain, and also protect us from enemies and thieves and some wild animals also, right? So these are the main things that why house is so important. So here firstly I'm talking about the password of the day. Password of the day is protect, PROTECT, protect. So what is the meaning of protect? To keep something safe. Okay, किसी चीज को सेफ रखना, किसी चीज से बचाना, that is the protect. So this is the password. Now move on to the chapter, that is houses we make. I'm telling you one small story about the many years ago. Early man lived on the trees or in caves. जो पहले अर्ली मैन होते थे, जिन्हें हम आदि मानव कहते थे, वो कहाँ रहते थे? On the trees or in caves, right? But when there was very heavy rains and flood, that time they have to change their home. तब उन्हें अपना home change करना पड़ता था. They have to go just on the top of the mountain to live. ताकि वो खुद को बचा सके from the flood, from the heavy rains. They have to go to the top of the mountain to live. Then they think, why shouldn't we start making some house जिससे हम खुद को बचा कर रख सकें, right? So then they learn to make house. उन्हें house बनाना नहीं आता, then they learn. They do some experiments with their life and they learn how to make the house. बिल्कुल मतलब बहुत पहले की बात है ये. अब धीरे धीरे उन्होंने क्या किया, हाउसेस बनाने शुरू किए. They started making the houses. You know why they make house? Because houses are the very safest place. Houses protect us from heat, cold and rain, and they were living in the forest, right? So houses protects them from wild animals also. So they think we should make a house. So here let's read this chapter, chapter number 12, Houses We Make. And it is on page number 17 in your book. So everyone just open your book and start reading with me. Long ago, humans lived on trees and in caves. As time passed, they learned to make houses. They began to live in these houses. Soon, houses became very important for them. Can we live without houses? No, we cannot live without houses. So they also realized that houses are very important for them. Houses made them feel safe and comfortable. They protected them from heat, cold and rain. Houses also protected humans from wild animals and thieves. Even today, we need a house to live in, right? We cannot live without house. So the houses we live in are not the same everywhere. Houses are not the same everywhere. If I am talking about now I am telling you about the two types of houses. One is kacha house and the other is pakka house. These are the two types of houses. houses we can see, many types of houses we can see around us, but now I am talking about here kacha house and pakka house. So some are the kacha houses and others are the pakka houses. So house that is made of mud. अभी you will guess कौन सा house की बात कर रही हूँ मैं इन दोनों में से. House which is made of mud, dry leaves, straw and bamboo. Which house is that? That is kacha house. Kacha house made up of mud, straw, leaves, bamboo. So kacha house made up of these things. It is usually made by the people who live in it. ये घर वही बनाते हैं जो इसमें रह रहे होते हैं. Okay, so it is mostly found in the villages. कच्चा house हम कहाँ पर देख सकते हैं? In the villages. I will be telling you the difference in both. So कच्चा house is mostly found in the villages. It is not very strong. कच्चा house जो है ज़्यादा strong नहीं होता है, not strong. And heavy rainfall and strong winds can destroy it. Heavy rainfall से ये खराब भी हो सकता है, destroy कर सकते हैं because mud और straw से बना है, mud, straw, leaves इन चीज़ों से बना है. अगर हम उस पर पानी डालेंगे और heavy rain आएगी, so of course it will destroy this house. Okay. Then one more thing is I want to add on that in these houses, kacha houses need repair time to time. Need repair time to time. इनको बार बार रिपेयर करना पड़ता है तभी ये सही से रह सकते हैं. सही. Okay, then next is I am going to talk about the pakka house. Now pakka house, mostly we found them in the cities. Pakka house are mostly found in the cities. Now pakka houses are made up of bricks, steel, cement, wood, glass, iron. So with these things pakka house is made. So pakka houses are made of bricks, steel, cement, wood, glass and iron. They are called pakka houses. There are different types of pakka houses. Pakka houses with different types के होते हैं. The other thing is these houses are strong. Strong enough. They need not repair after. They need repair after 20 years. Not continuous frequently. We don't have to just repair it time to time. We can take time to repair these houses, these type of houses. So now there are different types of pakka houses. अलग-अलग तरह के pakka houses होते हैं like bungalow. Bungalow are the houses. Bungalow are the houses which are very big, which have lawns in it, and which have their like swimming pool also. So bungalows are the very big houses. Then next is about the multi-story building. Multi-story building. So multi-story building is, we can say, building which have many floors. Which have many floors, and houses on these floors are known as flats or apartments. Houses on these floors are known as flats or apartments. So those are known as multi-story building. Multi-story, story होता है जो एक floor को बोलते हैं story. So they are in this building, so many floors are there, and each house is known as flat or apartment. Okay, so this was about the kacha house and pakka house. Again, let us start reading about it. What is kacha house? Kacha houses are made up of mud, straw, leaves and bamboo, whereas pakka houses are made up of bricks, steel, cement, wood, glass and iron. Now kacha houses are mostly found in villages. Pakka houses are mostly found in cities. Kacha houses are not so strong. Pakka houses are so strong. Kacha houses need repair time to time. Pakka houses need repair after 20 years, after 15 to 20 years, you can see. Okay, so this was about the difference between kacha house and pakka house. Okay, students, after this I want to tell you about the temporary houses. Today I will just clear that what are temporary houses. What are temporary houses? See, temporary houses are those houses, like some people are doing their jobs and they have to change their cities. They have to go from one place to another in a very short time. So they need home. So what they did, they do not stay at one place for a long time. They keep moving from one place to another place. So they make houses that can be carried along with them. So they make some houses that can be carried anywhere, जो कहीं भी लेकर जाए जा सकते हैं, वो houses उन्होंने बनाए. Now those houses are mostly, I am giving the example, are wheel caravans. I will tell you in this detail in the next session that what are the wheel caravans, houseboats, and tents. These are the some examples of houses which can be carried anywhere. Okay, so ये वाले houses हैं जिनको हम जहाँ भी जाएंगे वहाँ साथ लेकर जा सकते हैं. So I will tell you in detail about these three in the next session and many more in the next session. That is all for today. I am sending you one reference video, so you all just watch that video after this. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you all are safe. So keep yourself busy in studies. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and take care.